Yo, what is up, guys? Just gonna go a little more into detail with how we set up this automation webhook through Make. So, okay, how's that? There we go. So let's just go over to scenarios, and we're gonna go top right here. After you guys have signed in, create an account, create new scenario, and then we're gonna click on this nice, beautiful boom. And then there's a lot of choices, kind of overwhelming. You can see at the bottom here, search. So we're just gonna go webhook. Reload this. Okay, let's see if this works. Plus webhook. I don't know, it just doesn't want to work. It knows that I'm recording. It knows that people want to see. It's gonna just give me a hard time. You know how it is. You ever have a computer issue and you bring your friend in and come look at it, and all of a sudden everything works like a miracle. It's like the computer knows that someone else is watching. It's like, no, I can't do it. I can't glitch out now. Okay, plan B. It looks like it's doing something. Come on, web. There we go. All right, so click on the top one here and custom webhook, second one right here, and bam, that was part of how to do it. Okay, now click on create a webhook. This is going to screen right here. So save, and there's the webhook, the URL. So right here at the bottom, we click copy address to board. Did it, and then we're gonna come back over to we're gonna come over to the bot, and here post. That's where we'd add it. Replace this one, the new one, and go there, and then we're gonna go publish. And if you guys want to see a video on how I did this, I will leave a description and I'll somewhere around. And then we're just gonna do a test run test, and that should config it, and that will say connected once the connections connected. Go through this quickly. Buy house mission 2. That's not even much right now. Okay, perfect. So, Bryson AI at gmail.com. API call successful. Boom. Okay, so there we go. Successfully determined. That's what we want for. And now we can go okay. Now the next step, click on plus here, and we're gonna search right there. We're gonna go sheet for Google Sheet and load. I'm actually just going to show you here what I do. I would sheets tab, and then I'm just going to go in here. It's loading in this real estate chat bot, and we're going to search location, budget, name, email. That looks good. Now we go back over here to make. I think this is automatic. Sheets 1, right? Okay, so back over here to make. Today, Junior. Okay, here we go. Google Sheets, and then we're row. Boom. Okay, we're just going to connect, sign in Google. Okay, boom. Choose a method, choose a drive, my drive. Here we go. Boom. Real estate, chatbot test, and all those variables imported. Be successful. The connection good with the webhook here, and beautiful. Queries, citation, budget, timeline, and name, email, phone. Oh wait, see there? And we're gonna just test this. Click out of here, run test, property inquiry, sell in low emission, 2 million in the next 3 to 3 months. Example. Oh, great for that. Oh yeah, because I'm just gonna click out of here. This just needs to be, and let's try this again. Do this, train this, do this, and Shannon, yeah, right. If you got that email, seriously, it didn't work. This is easy, guys. Don't worry. You'll be able to do it. Just follow along. Maybe because to train the bot. Look at this. Capture phone, and this issues. Again, just like coding, eh? A lot more troubleshooting than actual mission. Gmail, 231, gmail.com. There we go. Okay, boom. That we do this. I think it's just because this isn't properly that. Okay. This should work. Again, on this, run, test, and go through the steps again more. 1 to 2 million. Sean at mail.com. Okay, how did something go wrong again? API. Wondering if we that, and let's let's try deleting this. Okay, maybe you have to like run this through first and then add it. All right, let's go. See, so obviously you have like, you need to add in like exception handling so that it say, sorry, please input a proper email. Sorry, the format of the phone number is not correct. Again. Okay, let's try this. Google Sheets, that's already there. Add a row. Cool. Look at that. It's there. Good. Real estate chatbot 1. All good. Click. Black. Please. Okay. And then save it. That's what I forgot to do last time. Remember? Save here. Run. The moment of truth. Fix that. It's in the right order. Lower mission 1 to 2 million. Shad. Okay. Look at this. It says it was. Oh, gotta go. I think I gotta click. There we go. I got too many chiefs. Let's go to scenarios. And just gonna delete this one. Delete. Okay, I think it was this 4. No, I think I deleted the one we just. Okay, let's do this one more time. Yes, I'll just do it again. All right.